Wait. Now we pull out the card. You pull out the card? What does it say? Thank you. You're a big sticker. Or big sister. A sticker badge. Do you want me to read it to you? Oh. What's on the cover? What's that? Is it a kitty?
Mommy.
Oh. It is a baby, huh? It says, the new baby at your house sure is lucky to have a special big sister like you. From your great Auntie Vera and great Uncle Dick.
Say thank you.
And it's her official, awesome big sister badge.